Hey guys, it's your girl kalienasofar and I'm back with another video. Unfortunately, I forgot to record the intro to this video yesterday, so this is just a little skedaddle to put in the beginning just to say hey to you guys and thank you guys so much for watching my previous videos, and I continue to enjoy to share more with you guys. And I'm not going to do too much talking, I'm going to get right into the video, but I do want to let you know if you guys are new here, you should subscribe or follow whatever platform you're seeing this on, and also give this video a like if you enjoy it, and comment what you would like to see and any pro tips from all my makeup girlies and anything that you feel like I should try or I should do better, because I love advice and I am all for learning, and we are all a team here, okay? Because I need it, because you're gonna see this video went real left real fast. But without further ado, I'm gonna get right into the video and I will see you guys later. Bye. All right, jumping into it, we're gonna start right off with our e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. I use this a lot ever since I tried it. I love it, but soon enough you'll see where I went terribly wrong with this. So FYI, you only need a little bit, and to be honest, I've only used this like 3 times and I should know by now, but you will see why me putting this much primer on my face did me a disservice. But anyways, we're gonna move on to some concealer. This is the Nika K full coverage concealer. It's just like a basic drugstore concealer, and I'm actually gonna put concealer on from before I put foundation on, because I normally put my foundation first, but I seen this girl doing her concealer basically covering up dark spots or whatever, and apparently it allows you to hide like dark circles and stuff better. So I guess like more than one layer, instead of doing one layer on top of your foundation, it kind of helps cover it before you even put the foundation on. I don't know, but it looked good, girl. It looked good because it was blended out, and I wanted kind of a brightening effect, and I was like, okay. But y'all, look, keep looking, and I thought it was my camera, but then I realized I look real greasy, right? Real greasy. It's because that power grip is not drying down. So keep watching. Don't judge the girl. You know, I thought I was doing good. I was like, purr. So then I'm gonna go in with this Revlon brow. I couldn't open it. Anyways, this Revlon brow stuff that I bought a couple weeks ago, and y'all know I am terrible at doing brows, and you will see very quickly how terrible I am if you've never seen it before, but we're gonna pray about it and leave it to God. So I'm gonna fast forward this on purpose because I don't want y'all to see how much of a terrible job I'm doing, even though you're still gonna see it anyways, because clearly I didn't fast forward enough. And then bam, look at it. Lord Jesus. It looked like I played in Sharpie, but you know, trust the process or not, because then look, I literally, when I was editing this video, it was 30 minutes and 16 of those minutes was me trying to figure out how to do my eyebrows. It's not even, baby. It's far from even, whatever the furthest thing from even is. And then I like go in and try to slab more stuff on there, and then this stuff wasn't drying. It wasn't giving at all. It was giving turd. Look at that, baby. Okay, so I'm gonna just put that away because I picked up the brush again because I thought I could fix it, and then I realized I should probably just leave it alone because I realized it wasn't drying. Y'all don't judge me. I'm horrible at brows. If you know what to do with brows, please give me an easier way that I could just like stamp some on or something. But anyway, so I'm gonna go with this concealer, but this is where I got my bright idea. I was like using this concealer for my eyebrows, and then I was like, oh, hold on a second, wait a minute. Why do this match my skin tone perfectly? And I was like, okay, wait a minute. I done heard something about this. Wait a minute, stick with me now. How about I use this brighter concealer for my eyebrows, so I highlight underneath, and we'll try to see if we can fix that mess. Honestly, it looks like cow manure. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I'm very honest with myself. Then somebody start calling me. And then I realized they was calling me from China, and I was like, yeah, no, baby, we got minutes. I can't accept calls from overseas. Anyways, so yeah, I started doing the brows, and then I was like, okay, this is terrible, but we're gonna have to just work with it because I don't have time to start over again. So yeah, I just did that. I don't know why I'm taking so long and I'm showing y'all all this. Let me just cut forward. Okay, and then look at this, girl. At this point, I should have just gave it up. I like, please, y'all, don't go on me. This is my struggle. Like, look at it, baby. What is that? So it was just getting horrible. So I brought this little brush out to see if it was going to work better with the brush. And clearly, it's just not. Like, it's giving tragedy. I don't even know what to say. I'm ashamed of myself. I really wanted to delete this out, but I just wanted to be honest with y'all, because I don't want to end the video and then y'all see my eyebrows be shiny and mud-like, and you be like, oh no, what did we miss? And I'm just gonna be transparent that ain't work. So anyways, that's the best I could do. It looks terrible, I know. Don't at me unless you want to fight. So then, look at that. I took the leftover concealer from that I was gonna use from the beginning, and then I put it all over my face to use it as foundation. I was like, purr. And it is like an exact match, period. I don't know what I was saying there, but I really thought that was gonna be a good voiceover, but clearly I don't remember. And so anyways, I spread it all over my face, and as you can see, it is super shiny. And at first, baby, I was gonna blame it on the concealer and was like, oh, maybe it's not a good idea. But then I realized that the primer, I put way too much. It was impossible to like mattify this amount of oil. Like, so I think, I'm not a scientist. I'm not. But I think that primer must be like oil based or something, because for it to be this shiny, yeah, I put some concealer on. I was like, that looks good. But it just like, I feel like the makeup look kind of disappointed me, because outside of the eyebrows, which are terrible, I was disappointed because I feel like it didn't have the full potential. Oh my God, what is that white stuff in my hair? I think it's gel, y'all. I braided my hair up like this and I hate it. And I just kept putting gel on there, and it's just, that's not the point of the video. And I do these voiceovers so I can not ramble during the video and have a lot to edit, but clearly I'm not doing a good job. Anyway, so I talk too much, ADHD me. I did the concealer and I'm gonna bronze now, but watch when I bronze or try to like put powder, it sticks. Like the powder you see that mark? I can't even blend the powder out as well as it should be because my face is so oily. Like, it's awful. Like, I felt like if I did not put that much primer, I would have used a different primer. Like, I don't know, do they have water-based primers? Somebody that's a makeup pro tell me, because I'm very honest, I'm not a makeup pro. I'm learning this as I go, and I need all the help I can get. What was I saying? I don't know, y'all. Just help me out. Then I'm gonna put some powder on. I normally don't bake, but I feel like I needed to bake this time because I was trying to like calm this oil down. Like, I was shining like the sun, and I know God said I'm an angel. I don't know if he said that, but like, I feel like I'm an angel, but I just don't know. I don't want to be shining that bright outside. Like, I still gotta get my life together. So I just put powder everywhere. Yeah, I look like I was rolling around in dough. I look like I'm married to Pillsbury dough, man. We was having too much fun because I am powdered out. So I don't know. I put it everywhere that looked real shiny, hoping that it would help, and it just didn't help. So I don't know. But I use banana powder, by the way. And so I have this blue mascara that I wanted to try, and eyes are not like my strong suit either, but like I just be doing anything basic, to be quite honest with you. So I just did a little bit of this. Look at it. It look a mess. Oh Lord Jesus. I did a little bit. Y'all help me. I'm trying to be better. I put a little bit of that blue, and then my camera fell down, so I kind of missed where I had started adding the white, but then I put some white down for the lid color. And clearly I probably don't even have the right brushes, but we're gonna get there. Like, I just need to learn how to perfect this craft. Anyways, so I put some white down because I felt like I didn't want to be basic, and I really was feeling it. So don't burst my bubble and tell me that it looks trash. But also, keep in mind that I could not blend as well because look at my eyebrows, shined out to the goodness gracious God. But then I was like, for a beginner, I was really feeling that eyebrow look. I mean, eyes look. But now looking back at it, it looks a little bit tragic. So anyways, period. So I just wiped that off, and look at this. Like, everything is clinging together. This looks atrocious. Look, it's still like wet. Like, and I know I'm not a pro at makeup, but to be quite honest, I've done so much better than this. Like, this video was such a disappointment. I wasn't even gonna post it, but I was like, let me show them the real journey, the real deal. And then I just threw some of these cheap lashes on that I got with a wig. BGM Girl Hair. If y'all have not seen that review, please go watch it. Do not waste your money. Like, oh my God, and that white stuff in my hair is crazy. Oh my God, I'm out of breath with this voiceover. So anyways, I ended up throwing the lashes on, and then I was like, oh, wait a minute, these kind of cute. I kind of prejudged them. So anyways, I didn't want to waste none of my good lashes on this trash look. I just wanted to really try this blue mascara. So This what it looked like. It's Sneaker K also, because that's all I buy from the drugstore. And to be quite honest, this was a disappointment because it was not even no color. And maybe, I don't know, like it's a little bit of something at the bottom. I should have tried it on my top lashes, but it was too dry. So thumbs down. Anyways, I put some liner on, and I put black liner on because I feel like a dark lip was gonna look good with this. But then again, this whole makeup look is atrocious. So I feel like at this point I was just on anything. I was just trying to wing it because I was like, I'm really trying to be constant with these videos, and I really need y'all to see the ups, the downs, and all the in between. And this was a down for sure. But anyways, I put this lipstick on, and to be honest, I look like Cruella, but hey, my lashes coming off. But this is the end of that. So I'm gonna come back with y'all something better. Period. Bye.